So land past 1,000 or?
Well, it's been a while.
Yeah.
So you should be good.
Westchester Tower, Sirius 7763 Bravo, holding short west side 16, looking for 1 or 2 circuits, stop and goes.
November 7763 Bravo, Westchester, Roger, hold short runway 16. Bravo, hold short 16.
Keep going.
Short 1660 Bravo.
A 4 Tango Hotel, turn, let's see, turn right at Foxtrot and taxi via Lima, full length 16, just let me know when you're ready.
Turn right on Foxtrot and taxi on Lima to 16, and we'll let you know. That's 4 Tango Hotel.
November 7763 Bravo, left traffic 16, wind 190 at 4, runway 16, good takeoff.
Good takeoff 16, left traffic, 60 Bravo.
What's that?
She cleared him for takeoff. We'll still on the runway.
Oh, he's not on. Well, thank you, JetBlue.